Hey guys, this is Technical God 001 and today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of this cheap microphone which I brought from Amazon for rupees 200. So you can see the product from the description below. So let's get started. So this is the bill of the product, and this is the product. You can see mini lapel lavalier microphone. So let's open it. So for the beginner YouTubers who wanted their videos to be clear can have this mic. It is very cheap. So it has a good length. You can see here the 3.5 mm jack which you can plug in your mobile, and this mic over here, you can use it to record your videos, and this pin you can attach to your shirt collar. So I'll make the review of this product after 15 to 20 days, that is this product really nice or not. So wait for my review video before buying it. So stay tuned to our channel by subscribing to our channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.